Cold spray to numb it. Feel a pinch on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, pinch. And done. You did great. Whew. Excellent.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for showing support. Remember to like, share, subscribe, turn the post notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. So today it's about 9 a.m. in the morning and I'm heading out for a doctor's appointment, and I'll be getting an injection in my left knee from the orthopedic doctor, but I'll bring you guys along so you can see what's happening. Bye. Okay, later guys. Elevator. So I got to the building, guys. I'm heading down in the elevator and go and register and wait. Okay. We're here. Yes. Waiting on the doctor. So you guys, inside the room waiting for the doctor, and as soon as she gets here, hopefully it's a quick process so I could get out of here and take this mask off. But office policy, you have to wear the mask when you're in the back. So I'll try to see if I could film the process when she's giving the medicine. So I'll keep you guys posted in a few.
Okay, you're going to sit up and slide your legs are on this side.
Okay.
And do the injection. Here's the consent. So you decide if you're going over.
And it's the ORTHOVISC, right?
ORTHOVISC injection.
Okay.
Here. ORTHOVISC consent. Okay. And we're going to have to slide, come forward a little bit. And then just let your leg just hang down. Perfect. Okay. So it's 3 injections. Each injection is 1 2 weeks apart. Okay. We will do the third. As long as you're not pregnant again, or the third one. So we'll get all 3.
No, I'm staying away from that.
Yeah, you never know.
Date.
Might want to have another. Just timing wise. Let's get these injections done first.
Okay.
Do you have any others?
Hmm?
Do you have any others?
No.
All right. Thank you. So you're just going to let the leg hang down. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Cleaning it with betadine.
Okay.
Cold spray to numb it. Feel a pinch on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, pinch. And done. You did great. Whew. Excellent. All right, so hopefully this will help. It really is 3 injections.
Yeah.
To get the full effect, because that's when you get all the medicine in.
Mm-hmm.
But if you feel better from 2, that's good too. I mean, you're still getting some of the medication in. Yeah. It's a thick medication, so that's why we don't do it all at once.
Okay.
You just feel the pressure, which I'm sure you felt now of it going in.
Yeah.
So that's why we divide it up.
Okay.
And if you feel some soreness from the injection site, use ice. 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Always keep 1 layer between the ice and your skin.
Okay.
You might get some soreness from the injection itself. And I'll see you back in 1 to 2 weeks.
Okay, that's fine.
Either myself or my physician assistant can do it depending on the schedule.
Okay, so I made the appointment in the front or?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. So nice out today. So nice. Okay guys, I'm gonna head home and relax a little bit before I have lunch, and then I'll keep you guys posted throughout the day. Hey guys, I'm back home. I'm a little bit disheveled right now because my knee is in a lot of pain, so I have to actually relax a little bit and try to see if the medicine will start working. I know the doctor said it will be sore and a little bit swollen for a few days, so I just have to trust the process and hope that this medicine is actually gonna help me alleviate a lot of my pain and discomfort in this knee. So just for context guys, I did have knee surgery, left knee surgery in January of 2021. So that's basically one of the reasons why I need follow-up ORTHOVISC injection. I had 2 rounds of it last year, but could not get the 3rd one because I ended up getting pregnant with my daughter. So I'm back at it again to actually get my 3 rounds. So every 2 weeks, maybe every week to 2 weeks, I'll be having the injection. So 2 weeks time from today, I'll be having another one, and I'll take it from there. I'll document as much as I can if I'm allowed, depending on the doctor or the facility at the time that I'm going to. But I'll document as much as I can so you guys could be updated as to how my progress going. But yeah, I'm gonna have lunch in a few, well, late lunch, because now it's a few minutes after 1 p.m. So I'm gonna relax a little bit, and maybe in like 30 minutes I'm gonna get up, probably have some fruits. I'm not sure yet what I want, but we'll see, and I'll show you guys as my day progresses. You want to say something? Okay, somebody's here guys. She's in the back with me. Yeah, say hi. Say hi. Okay guys, I'll keep you posted. Ground beef with bell peppers. I'm about to add my sauce to it. No sugar added. Prego sauce. And then add my noodles. I added my sauce. Now I'm gonna mix it all in and let it simmer for a little bit before I add my noodles. I'm gonna go ahead and add some red pepper flakes to this thing. We're gonna go ahead and add our angel hair style miracle noodle. It's plant-based, 5 calorie. Okay, so we're gonna add our noodles, and this is 2 packs of the angel hair noodles, so we're adding that, and then we're gonna go ahead and like mix that in to combine everything. So we went ahead and add a teaspoon of the Truvia Sweet Complete. So this is a sweetener option instead of the regular brown sugar. It has 0 calorie, and this is also a good option for keto friendly diets. This is the finished product. It's all done. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it and have something to eat. And we're done. So that is it, plated. 25-minute meal, quick and easy, and we're out. Hi guys, I'm back. So I eventually went ahead and made something to eat. I didn't eat lunch, but I forgot to actually record in a format that is suitable for YouTube. I forgot that I wasn't posting a YouTube short, but I'm still gonna insert the clip so you guys can see what I made. I made some noodles with ground beef, keto friendly meal. So now before I go to bed, I'm actually gonna make my tea that I've been drinking for the past 3 nights. I'm trying to detox. So here I have a lemon. It's already washed, and I rolled it a little bit just to have it softened for when I need it for the juices. So I have lemon, I have my cinnamon powder here, and I have some organic honey in this bottle here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and I'm just measuring this off the top of my head. I'm gonna go ahead and add about a tablespoon of honey. Okay, should be enough. And then I'm gonna go ahead and slice this lemon. And instead of put the peel in it, I'm just gonna squeeze, and I'll remove the seeds later. Okay, guys, so that's it so far. Then I'm gonna add some hot water from my kettle, or boiling water, and I'm gonna fill this up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stir this around. And the lemon seeds that went in it will float eventually to the top, so you could just remove it, or you could actually remove the lemon seeds before squeezing it, but I don't mind. So that's my tea. So I'm gonna have that, and maybe I'll have a banana before I have this, but I'm gonna actually cover this with something, just a little lid, and let it sit there and brew for a while. Catch you guys in a few. So yeah, guys, I went and got dressed for bed. I'm here sipping on my tea, which I showed you guys what I used to make my tea that I've been drinking for the past 3 days. So I'm in a lot of pain right now from the injection in my knee, so I'm gonna actually wrap this up and go relax, maybe watch a movie and try to get some rest. But I'm so grateful, guys, for the love, for the support. Thank you guys for all the comments. Thanks for the questions. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, turn the post notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos when they're posted. And yeah, so let me show you guys the tea one more time. It's actually tasting pretty good. The honey and the cinnamon is a good combination. But yeah, guys, later, I'm out.